from Kinect2Dance. Put up two hands, wave them, say hi, Bree. Welcome to Kinect2Dance YouTube. I'm going to be teaching you a dance today called 24 Karat Magic by Kidz Bop. Let's get started. Okay guys, to start this dance we're going to have our feet together. Our left hand up, you're going to close your hand to make a fist and we're going to push it up to the roof 4 times. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're then going to step over towards the right. We step out and we're going to cross our left foot behind us. Now our hands are going to copy our feet. So as our feet go apart, our arms go apart. As our feet crisscross, our arms crisscross. So left hand up, we push it up. 4, 3, 2, 1, step, out, cross. We're then going to slide over to the left. And as you slide, we're putting our hands through our hair. So we have step out, crisscross, slide. We're going to drop down to the ground, drop out. Nice. So feet together, we have our left hand up. 5, 6, 7, we go and push to the roof. Step out, crossed, slide, drop, feet apart. Let's try just that much with the music.
Hey kids!
Go.
Put your pinky rings up.
Step out, left, cross, pick it up, we drop, feet apart.
What y'all trying to do?
So after we just finished dropping down, feet apart, we're going to tap our back foot, which is our left foot, 2 times to face the front. As you do that, your arms are going to swing out to the front. So we've dropped down, feet apart, tap, tap. We're then going to take our left hand across our body, drop. Right hand across, drop. We're then going to eat the pizza. That's right, you heard me. It goes, eat the pizza, and you have to shake it at the same time. So we have step, drop, eat the pizza, eat the pizza. Let's go from the beginning. Arm up. 1, 2, 3, go. Out, cross, pick it up. We drop, feet apart, tap to the front. Step, drop, eat the pizza, with the music.
Hey kids! Put your pinky rings up.
Now, cross, pick it up. We drop, point to the
What
side,
y'all
to the front.
trying to do?
Step, and
24 karat magic in the air.
Nice work, everyone. So, we've just finished our eat the pizza. They sing 24 karat magic in the air. So, we're taking our arms out like a T pose. You're then going to take your right hand to the floor, left hand to the floor, freeze. You take your right foot to your left hand. We turn to the front. Nice. Now I want you to keep your arms nice and strong. So we go drop, turn to the front. They sing head to toe. So we're going to point to our head, wipe your armpits, gross, point to your toes. A bit faster, head to toe. So arms out, we drop, right, left, turn to the front, head to toe. To finish it off, you're going to get a die in each hand, roll the dice. As you do this, you're sliding forward. Slide, you then are going to do your own pose, any pose you like. Nod your head 2 times. So, we roll the dice, slide forward, nod your head, 1, 2. That whole thing without the music. Left arm up, we go. Push, 2, 3, 4, step out, cross, pick it up, we drop, point to the side, to the front, no way. Jose and pizza, eat the pizza. Arms out, we drop, turn around to the front, head to toe, throw it away, pose, nod your head. Great job everyone, let's try it with the music.
Hey kids! Put your pinky rings up.
Now, cross, pick it up, we drop, point to the side,
What y'all trying to do?
away. Jose, pizza, eat
24
the
karat
pizza,
magic in the air.
turn around, head to toe,
Head to toe,
we
so
roll away, pose,
look out!
nod your head.
Kidz Bop, it's showtime.
Well done, nice work. We are going to do one more part to this dance. Now the music changes, so our dance moves are going to change. I like to call this move the grumpy cat. Not because it looks anything like a cat, but because you have to have a grumpy cat face. And his face looks like this. Oh wait, that's a sad cat. Hold on, grumpy cat. So, we're going to duck under 4 times, to the right first. Duck under, 2 more times. Now I know what you're thinking, this does not look like a grumpy cat. As you duck under, we're going to swat our head out of the way. So, we swat under, tap your shoulder, other way. Swat, tap your shoulder. This time with your attitude. Nice. So we have 4 grumpy cats. 4, 3, 2, 1. We jump our feet together. Hands up, what's up? Crisscross, 1 nod. You're then going to move back 4 steps. Move back 2, 3, 4. We go again. Duck under, duck under, duck under. We jump our feet together, hands up, crisscross, 1 nod. 4 walks forward, models on the catwalk. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. So we're going to try just that part with the music from our grumpy cat. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready, set, here we go. Grumpy cat. Jump, jump, what's up, crisscross, 1 nod, move back. Again, here we go. Duck under, last one, jump. Hands up, crisscross, 1 nod, forward. Nice work, everyone. Give yourself a round of applause. We are going to do the whole thing from the beginning, last time through. Here we go.
Hey kids!
Ready?
Put your pinky rings up.
Step out. Now, drop, pick it up. We drop point to the side.
Y'all trying to do?
Jose pizza.
24 karat magic in the air.
Now we go. Let's go.
Head to toe, so
Throw away. Pose.
look out,
Nod your head.
Kidz
Grumpy
Bop,
cat.
it's showtime.
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 Guess who's back again?
Jump.
Oh, they don't know. Oh, they don't know.
Go on, stop.
But they know since we walk
Again.
in.
Here we go.
Wearing Cuban links, designer things, and Inglewood's finest
Last
shoes.
one. Jump.
Don't look so
Hands
hard,
up.
might
Drop
hurt yourself.
forward.
Know to give the color red the blues. Oh, yeah.
About. Nice work, team. Thank you so much for joining us in our digital dance class. See you next time.